Welcome to Automotive Reviews TV, your trusted source for in-depth insights into the latest vehicles and machinery. Today, we're diving into the John Deere X9 Combine, a marvel of agricultural technology designed to maximize efficiency and productivity on the field. This combine is engineered to deliver unparalleled performance, meeting the demands of modern farming with ease. The John Deere X9 stands out with its innovative design, boasting unmatched harvesting capacity. It's equipped with a dual-rotor system that ensures maximum grain retention and superior straw quality. This combine is built for high-yield crops in challenging conditions, offering optimal performance even in tough scenarios. The advanced cleaning system allows for better separation, reducing grain loss and maintaining quality. Farmers can rely on its robust construction and intelligent systems to achieve exceptional results season after season. This machine isn't just about raw power, it's also about precision. The X9 features advanced automation technologies that make operations smoother and more efficient. With an integrated guidance system, operators can navigate fields with accuracy, reducing overlaps and saving time. The real-time monitoring tools give insights into the machine's performance, helping users make data-driven decisions for better outcomes. These technologies work together seamlessly, allowing for a stress-free experience while delivering top-tier results. Comfort and usability are key highlights of the John Deere X9. The spacious cab is designed with the operator in mind, offering ergonomic controls and excellent visibility. The climate control system ensures that the operator stays comfortable during long hours of work. Noise reduction technology creates a quieter workspace, allowing the operator to focus entirely on the job. Connectivity options, including integrated screens and wireless data transfer, keep users informed and connected, streamlining the workflow and enhancing productivity. Another standout feature of the X9 is its fuel efficiency. The machine is powered by a high-performance engine designed to consume less fuel while delivering exceptional power. This not only helps in reducing operational costs but also minimizes the environmental footprint, making it a sustainable choice for modern farming. The John Deere X9 proves that power and efficiency can go hand in hand, offering a solution that benefits both farmers and the environment. The durability of this combine is unmatched. It's built to withstand the rigors of intensive use, ensuring longevity and reliability. Regular maintenance is simplified with easily accessible service points, saving time and effort. John Deere's robust customer support network ensures that help is always within reach, whether it's for routine servicing or troubleshooting unexpected issues. In conclusion, the John Deere X9 Combine is a game-changer in the world of agriculture, combining power, precision, and efficiency in one impressive package. It's a machine that not only meets but exceeds the expectations of farmers, setting new standards for performance and reliability. Whether you're looking to improve productivity or streamline your operations, the X9 is an investment that delivers unmatched value. If you're passionate about cars, machinery, and everything in between, be sure to subscribe to Automotive Reviews TV for more reviews, insights, and updates on the latest in the automotive world. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.